in the bird's life. This is Caballerita, and this is Damito. Damito is very young bird, male. She is happy because his mixture is great, and he is enjoying of the toys. Look at him, and look at her. Oh, pretty happy. He is pretty happy. This is a mixture of nature, the woods, and toys. Everything safe for him and for her. They both are happy together up, and she eat all day, and this is more comfortable with the people. He likes the people. She likes eat. Oh, look at him. He's beautiful. His name is Damito. Her name is Caballerita. This is the whole picture. Rustic, made home, but beautiful for them. Oh, my girl. Maybe she wants to drink water. She's babying yet, so she don't know how to drink water very well, but she's happy. And he is so beautiful. Oh, look at these both are beautiful too, and happy together. They got a nice sleep in few minutes. Ahorita como se rasca la... This is Cavallerietti. She is a crazy girl, a crazy child. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. Oh. Oh, such a beautiful lady. She doesn't like the cameras. Huh? Caballerita. She can't stay in one place. No, she can't